Hey everyone, how goes it today? In this video, I don't have a new stock to talk about, but I'm going to go over the results of two trades I did this morning. Now, these are stocks that I previously did videos about, and they are on Energous, ticker symbol WATT, and Lancadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA. Now, before I get to the video, I just want to take a second and say thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to my channel and for hitting the like button on previous videos. I really appreciate you doing that. If you're new to the channel, I like to find short-term and long-term trading and investing opportunities in typically lower-priced stocks. I like to look for diamonds in the rough, underappreciated, undervalued stocks with high growth potential, as well as all other things finance-related. Now, if that's something that interests you, please subscribe so you don't miss any future trading and investing ideas. And also, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing in any of these stocks. Okay, the first one I'm going to go over is Energous. In the video that I did, I showed my first purchase of 300 shares here at $3.76 on July 8th. Now, when I purchased the first lot, I was a little concerned the breakout might fail, so I only bought half of what I wanted. And when the price did pull back, I bought another 300 shares at $3.01 on July 27th, bringing my average cost to $3.39. Now, this morning, I sold 1/3 of the position off at $4.49. Watt reversed soon after I sold, so I'm kind of wishing I would have sold it all, but I'll give it some more time because this pattern still looks good and it definitely looks like it'll be moving higher soon. But if I back the chart out a little bit, you can see this resistance area a few months back around $4.50, and that's why I decided to trim a little off at that price. Now, looking forward, if I zoom into the hourly chart, you can see Watt is forming a nice-looking bullish triangle consolidation pattern at these higher levels. The lows are rising and putting a lot of pressure on the upper resistance boundary of the triangle, so if price can break above the 425 to 450 area and actually hold, that should be the strength it needs to start the next leg up, and hopefully we get that soon. In the news today, Energous announced a strategic partnership with Zentress Wireless, which is a leader in designing, engineering, and manufacturing premium mobile accessories and charging solutions. They are collaborating to develop ruggedized products for demanding military applications using Energous' radio frequency-based charging technology. David Bailey, the CEO of Zentress, said, "We look forward to expanding our military-specific offerings further through this collaboration with Energous. By incorporating Energous' watt-up technology into our products, we will increase the number of solutions that can be customized to address the specific needs of the warfighter." He also said RF charging is a game changer for the warfighter in a multi-domain battle. Now, having part in a lucrative military contract would be huge for Energous' business, so this is going to be very interesting to follow. The second stock I traded today was Lancadia Holdings. Here's the current daily chart, and I bought 100 shares way back on June 29th at $13.86. When I bought this, I didn't really have a major reason except for the fact that SPAC stocks were in play, and I was hoping for a big move up, possibly into the upper 20s, because these stocks were flying. Well, that didn't really materialize. The next day, LCA was up, but after that, LCA began to fade down. On July 31st, I decided to add 100 more shares at the 50-period simple moving average, or the blue line on the chart, at $11.66, and that lowered my average cost to $12.76. Well, this morning I decided to close the position out at $14.64 for a small gain of approximately 14%. Now, I didn't have any real technical or fundamental reason to sell the stock. I just decided to close the position because it didn't do what I expected it to do, so I felt very fortunate to get out with a small gain. Now, I'm not saying LCA can't go higher. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me because it's been so strong lately. But if I was just holding with no real reason to be in the stock, it would just be a straight gamble. I need some kind of an edge or opinion to hold a stock, so I'll just look for an opportunity that I'm more comfortable with. The last thing that I wanted to point out before I end the video is the chart on DPHC. I did a video on how I wanted to buy some if price fell to the 21-period exponential moving average or the purple line, but I said that price might not even make it there and it could find support at the 8-period exponential moving average or the white line, and that's exactly what it did. As you can see, price found support perfectly at that line for several days in a row, and if you like to play fast moves, you should certainly put that moving average on your charts and study how stocks bounce off it. You could use that average and pretty much nothing else to day trade once you get used to trading around it. Now, I've heard that line referred to as the T line or the trigger line before, so if you wanted to research it, you could look it up that way as well. Alright folks, that's all I have for you today. Please let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts on these two trades or if you have any other questions. I'm happy to answer any that I can. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care everybody.